I got a little bit of lead time. First tornado warning. This thing has gone off for this year. Okay, first tornado warning this year. Yeah. I was just sitting there and then this came in. Let's unplug my phone. Better wait till I get the battery.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs.
I'm not expecting to catch a tornado warning today. Certainly not. Especially considering the fact that we were in such storms today. But I got it.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
They will send you a report to the National Weather Service office in Indianapolis.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Decatur, and Jennings. This is no...
It is not old tornado warning, but it's in effect until 8:15, and it's only if it's fine. In other words, you are going to go off pretty soon for another tornado warning if they decide to extend it.
Again, the forecast for the Indianapolis area for tonight. Rain showers and chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Then rain showers.
Here we go! There! Perfect! You went off too?
The service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rush County, northeastern Decatur County, and
second tornado warning of the day.
At 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Greensburg, or 9 miles west of Batesville, moving northeast at 35
Okay, it's not moving northeast, it's moving north.
Expected hazards
It's in
include
Henry
tornadoes.
County pretty soon.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows will occur. Tree
I
damage
hate
is
it when
likely.
that happens.
This dangerous storm will be near.
First ever tornado warning this boy's gone off for.
5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You'd expect 2 alerts in one day
Daylight time.
to wear that thing's battery down.
Includes Interstate 74.
Wait, what is this? Non-thunderstorm wind damage. Are you sure that's non-thunderstorm wind damage? I mean, there is a reported tornado, so...
Sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home,
or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Indianapolis. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties
324,
in Indiana, Decatur, and
I
Rush.
think.
Now for the official National Weather Service.
It's happening! It happened! Yes!
National Weather Service. Southern Henry County until 9:45 p.m. Eastern.
It happened!
At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7
First SVR of Alva today. I called it!
Include 60 miles per
Oh yeah, but it looks like the tornado warning is gonna push into IND
Locations
soon.
impacted include Newcastle, Rushville, Knighttown, Morristown, Carthage, Spice Land, Louisville, Milroy, Glenwood, Strawn, Dunrafe, Greensboro, Mays, Moscow, New Salem, Manila, and
Went off
Arlington.
successfully.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 70 between mile markers 107 and 133. Interstate 74 between mile markers 117 and 121 miles per hour. For your expected winds include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newcastle, Rushville, Knighttown, Morristown,
From my brother's Twitter, and then this happens.
Louisville, Milroy, Glenwood, Strawn, Dunrafe, Greensboro, Mays, Moscow, New Salem, Manila, and Arlington. This includes the following highways.
Jeez. No message on IND, nothing, tornado warning out of nowhere! Randolph County! Where did he go off?
Has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Randolph County until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Union City, or 14 miles northwest of Greenville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris
Warnings left, warnings right.
without shelter.
What do you like? Some SVRs at the side of TORs?
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles.
Would you like some severe thunderstorms at the side of a few tornadoes?
Union City around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh my gosh.
Take cover now.
Today's been so actiony.
Your room on the lowest floor of a sturdy
This
building.
definitely picked up.
Avoid windows.
I'm starting to notice a trend.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter.
SVR followed up by a TOR. I'm starting to notice a trend.
To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
I thought it was an aerial flood warning since we're under that now, so it's probably going to become a flash flood warning soon.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Randolph, Indiana. Now for the
Okay, got a little bit of lead time. EAS 235! Why so many tornado warnings? TORs galore! Tornado warnings galore.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northern
What?
County, southern Henry County, until
Actually, that was just going on. Okay, it went off twice.
7 miles northwest of Rushville.
Oh my gosh!
Northeast of Shelbyville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
These warnings are popping up
Damaged or destroyed.
more than...
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles
another
will
one.
occur. Tree damage is likely.
These warnings...
This dangerous storm will be near Knighttown and Mays around 9:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Yeah, it's 24th.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Spice Land, Louisville, and Greensboro around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Strawn around 9:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Newcastle around 9:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 118 and 133. Take cover now.
These warnings are coming in faster than I can count them.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
This is EAS 2. I've caught... Who knows how many tornado warnings by this point.
flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Indianapolis.
This is a 45-minute one.
Has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: